Straight to it, here's how to create a sub-bass step by step. Tap on plus icon and select GMSynth. Set the A oscillator to sine wave and the B oscillator to triangle wave. Set the balance to 50% so the sine and triangle waves are blended equally, mixing the smoothness of the sine wave with the harmonic body of the triangle wave to produce one strong, punchy sub-bass. Now, let's move on to the filter section. I will cut off a little bit, but you can cut most of the low end, keeping only the sub-frequencies. Now, let's head over to the EG section. This step is optional. I'm adding a pitch bend to give the sub-bass a smoother, more dynamic feel. Tap on the pitch option. Drop the sustain and release down to 0. Set the decay and amount to 50%. Be sure to set your bass to mono as well. This is your real sub-bass, the foundation of your track. You can use it exactly as it is, and it will already sit deep in the low end. But if you want to push it further and give it more power and presence, try adding distortion. Even a subtle amount of distortion will add harmonics to the sub, making it cut through the mix better and feel heavier on speakers that struggle to reproduce pure low frequencies. Adding distortion to the sub-bass makes it cut through so your listeners can feel it even on their phones. Distortion is completely optional. I'm noticing an unwanted clicking noise in the sub-bass. To fix this, go to the levels section and increase the attack slightly. This sub-bass in every song you make. Try layering it with other basses to make your mix sound even fuller and more powerful. The more you experiment with it, the better your beats will get. Anyway, hope this tutorial helped. See you in the next one.